would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. Breaking up and then get back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name.
Hi guys, Sanvanan Tumelang. Hello, my name is Pili Makakola. I'm back again with another video. Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new here, I welcome you. Those who are regular deculars, as other YouTubers say, but I'm not gonna say this. Those whose home is here, thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for commenting. Thank you so much for liking, and thank you so much for sharing. I was so surprised today when I woke up and realizing that 2 of my videos, I'll show them here, 2 of my videos have reached 1K views in 2 months, guys. For me, that is a lot. That is huge. Please do not watch only, and please subscribe. I appreciate it. I know I'm not perfect. I'm still learning. As much as I have been teaching for years, I'm learning every day. I'm still learning. And one thing about me, I want to learn. I make a lot of mistakes. Yes, I make a lot of mistakes. And when I realize I made a mistake, it makes me so happy because it tells me that, okay, I can still improve there and there. And yes, I love my job so much, and learning through teaching and learning, and it's so nice to me. It's so fulfilling. So thank you so much for choosing me. I may not be as consistent as I would like, but I'm here all the time, and I'll bring you classroom experience of different subjects. And yeah, I'm just doing my best. And if there's something that you see, guys, that you would like for me to improve on, please tell me. I'm doing my best here. And yes, and I'm glad that most of you really appreciate it. And yeah, what I realized is that, I don't know, I never thought, Guti, there'll be a lot of student teachers watching, but there are a lot of student teachers watching. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. I see your comments, I see your likes. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for being here, and I really hope you are learning so much from me. Not a lot, not so much, but I really hope you are learning from me as much as I would really love to learn from you guys, because I do not know everything. Yes, I've been blabbing. It's been 2 minutes already. It's Tuesday. And I'm busy with preparing for a spellathon. The department is gonna have a spellathon, so I'm busy assessing children for that spellathon. I was not here yesterday, which was a Monday. I've been off sick since Friday. Guys, this job, but I'm getting much better. I'm pushing, and I will push. So I'm preparing for a spellathon. I would really love for you guys to experience that, but it has to do with more showing the kids, so I can't do that. But I'm so happy with the results so far. I'm still going to continue doing that. And guys, I've been blabbing. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. Izandla zidlula ikhanda ngesizulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Point at it. How do we sound that letter? How do we sound it? Very good. Yeah. What is this letter? Sound it? Very good. Very good. Turn the paper around. Sideways. Read this sideways. What is this word? What is this word? I. And then me. A. Now remember, we are not sounding it. It's a word. In this case, it's a side word. It's a word. It's A. My. Very good. 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 Very good. Yes. 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 Good. 4. His. Sounded b. But. Sound it first so that you don't forget it. It's b. But. Do. M. O. Sound that one. G. This one. G. Got. thing, guys, that makes us happy as girls, another thing that makes us happy as girls is also receiving deliveries, whether be at work, whether be kai, wherever, receiving deliveries. So basically it could be anything in Ghana, plus you know them take a lot, they just give you a big box for anything. It could be anything in Ghana, but guys, I don't know if it's me, but it delivery excites. Anyways, guys, I'm doing a day in my life today. I'm not really doing much of a vlog. I'm just showing you guys what I do besides the teaching that I've been showing you guys along Askis. So the intervention that you saw in the other clip, guys, I'm using this EGRA thingy from the department. I'm using this for my intervention, especially for children who are really struggling with reading. We cannot move forward if bangakwazi sound. So we start here. Can you see? What is this now? Can you see here? My letters, they are not in alphabetical order. They are reshuffled. They are shuffled and excuse me, guys. They are shuffled. I used them. I don't know, guys. I'm trying my best. There are children who can't even recognize a letter. I think those are the ones who need like special assessment, which is very difficult, guys. Uguti, the department says for you to fill in the SNAF form. I'll if I find it, I'll show a picture of the SNAF form here. If you fill in the SNAF form, the child has to repeat first. Isn't that time consuming? But we do fill in SNAF forms, and even when the child does not repeat, we do fill in SNAF forms. I keep them in the file so that when they go to the next grade, the teacher knows. But now for children who have repeated and still there's no improvement, and you've tried to do everything, like guys, I'm also struggling. Can you tell me what is that you guys do, teachers nenzani? Because like it's so defeating, because you are putting in the work and agna improvement, whereas there's those who, which is something that often happens to me with my children that I kept from the previous year. So I've kept them from the previous year, and then the next year they excel. Baba go top 10, they excel. Sometimes that child is because beganga ka be ready for that certain grade. Usually that's how I see it. Umntana beganga ka be ready for that grade. But those who are struggling, guys, most of my children can sound. Even the ones who were struggling to read can sound. And then the side words also, it's a lot. They can recognize and read their side words. But when it comes to Mrs. Fair sentence construction, and I found out what I noticed is that these children by a grammar, like especially if you give them a reading that they should take with bio practice, that by a grammar, and then make a figure. The child reads now. Oh, she's reading. Ganti. That's why I always make them stand next to me, point at the word. When they point at the words, that's when you see good no man. It's there, and it was not there. Like bigger, this is not a fig with there. We were still at the beginning. So by a grammar, that's another problem. Guys, excuse my voice, I have flu. Last week I was sick with something else. This week I'm sick with something else, like as in no, apparently he or she can read. So now it seems as if when you are the problem, what do you do then? Guys, tell me, what do you do then? I also need help. What do you do then? Maybe someone who's not in the same working environment with me, someone else to like, what do you do? Because I go see, like, you literally have them. They can read new words. They struggle with new words. We teach them new words and whatnot. Those who can read sharp. Sentence construction. Oh, I've been working on that to a point of last time I was even behind because I've been working on that. So it's delaying me. I do not have the time. The department requires certain things at a certain time. I must meet deadlines. Guningi guys, guningi enengi one. So the parents who are actually helping, there are parents who help. Shem, I don't wanna lie. There are parents who help, and I really appreciate those parents, even though it's not all of them, but those who actually do. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. But angazi guys, anyone else, a teacher, please help me. Let me stop venting. It's been 5 minutes. Venta. Yeah, and I also have this. I don't know if, but I got this when I was still teaching in high school. This is what I use for tense, my writing and stuff. It's very helpful. It's very nice. Excuse me, yo guys. Oh, guys, I hope you're enjoying this. I'm just showing you bits and bits of what I'm doing right now. I'll be working on my laptop, and we're gonna do a writing a friendly letter today and a diary entry, if I'm not mistaken. A diary entry, because the other week we did something else for information text. So yeah, that's it guys. Tell them Lolo, no simple. Flo. Thatha le incwadi lezithabi siyozibeka nezinye ipeli nkukhu laphaya. That was hot. Lwandle, uThapisa ngimbekanga lapho for wena ne? Angimbekanga lapho for wena. You didn't even cut that paper, what? You didn't fill in the answers there. We are counting backwards. From 554, it's 553, 550. Creole, come take your things and sit here. Take your books and sit here. After 553 is? Are we counting backwards or forwards? Backwards, and we are counting in ones. We are counting in ones. So you are going backward from 554, 553, 550. It's going to be 552, 551. Kanjalo. Ghost has a silent. Ghost has a silent. I can't hear you. What is H? A silent. A silent. And then that person. What is that person? Someone said a plumber. The silent. Yes. The B is silent. Yes, the B is silent. What is the next picture? Caesars. Caesars has a silent. Who can tell me? Who can tell me by raising their hand? When a silent. which is C for cat. For cat. What is that? What is the next picture? No, see? A gnome. What is it? Who can tell me what a gnome is? Now, yes, it's like a little goblin. You write a K. It's a silent K. Go on. What is the next picture? Go on. Climb. The what letter is silent there? Hi. It should have been B. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be B. It should have been B, but A. Just put an M to make it correct. And then, what is the next picture? Kneeling. He's kneeling. Silent. K. A wedge. That is a wedge. If something is cut into that shape, that orange shape, you'd find that at usually Batandama wedges. What's the restaurant? Nando's. They ask you, do you want wedges, chips, whatever. Those are wedges. That shape there of that orange is cut into a wedge. The silent, it's a silent D, D, D. And the last one. What is it, Gone? A what? A silent H. And you have colored that, ne? Put along go. Hi guys. It's after school Thursday. I'm going to a meeting right now. It is the end of the day. I didn't do much, guys, today. I didn't want to bombard you with all the stuff that is happening. So I just wanted you guys to see a glimpse of just me doing the minor things. Not really minor, but the few things that I normally do at work. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to a meeting. I might catch a glimpse of that. And yeah, it was nice. It was nice. It was nice being here. It was nice. Guys, I'm so behind with my work. Like, I'm literally so behind. I'm trying to catch up. That's another reason why I didn't want to shoot a lot today. So I just wanted to give you a little mini day in my life of a teacher. So yeah. I don't think you can see my outfit, guys. I think I looked cute Tanyana today. Let me do this and see if you can see. I think I looked a little cute Tanyana. Okay guys, let me go to the meeting. I'm late and yeah, having my last coffee. Having my last coffee, guys. I drink so much coffee. And guys, another thing, where do people go for training for good handwriting? Like, I taught at high school, like, so much. You could see my handwriting is bad. My handwriting is really bad. So do not mind the July day, guys. I'm backdating. I'm behind. I'm backdating. Plus I got sick last week. I took sick leave. So yeah, guys, let me just stop explaining. Hope you like this video. Please come back for more. One thing for sure, there's a lot of talking in this video. Please come back. Oh yeah, almost forgot. This is what we got for Women's Day from our principal, guys. These books, she gives us these spiritual books and whatnot. I like the first one. I hope I'm really gonna like this one. Those who know me know, like, I like books, guys. I like books. So this, when someone gives me the book, it's like, it's my love language. Bye guys. Bye.